Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at a chart that is literally gold. It's GLD, the Gold Spider Trust. And this chart has me thinking very deeply because we are currently in a market where high beta tech leaders are working. We're in a market where semiconductors are working, but gold is also working. And rarely do we get all three things working at the same time. But we're in that situation now where people are speculating on some of these leaders like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, etc., Nvidia, but they're also putting a little money, seemingly, into gold. I mean, we're seeing a jump in Bitcoin as well right now as people look for a store of value. And so this monthly chart on GLD has me very interested because if I look deeply, we have a big fat cup and handle pattern that starts all the way back in 2011. And if we can break above some of these tops right around that 194 zone, potentially we have a measured move from the low of the cup to the high of 90%. And so the way that I understand to measure measured moves in a cup and handle is you take the low from the low, and then you go to the high of the high, and then you add that onto the neckline. And so that's about 90%. So if we were to break above, let's say 194, 200 area, let's add 90%. Oh, I got to squeeze the chart down. It's so much. You know, that has the potential to bring GLD up to that $400 level. Now that is life-changing money. And so this is definitely a chart that I'm interested in, not guaranteeing that that's going to happen. Obviously, we don't know, but that's the technical target for a breakout of a cup and handle like this. And so this is just one of many charts that we have our eyes on right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you want to see what else we're looking at, take a trial. 30 days, $7. You're not going to find a better deal than that. I'm Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I hope to see you on the other side.